Hey guys, how you doing? It's Lagan here, and today I'm bringing you a video on how to build a pretty decent gaming computer. Uh, Play stuff on 720p. Some titles are 1080p. I know to run all the older titles from mid 2012 back. It should run them on 1080p with probably around medium, mixture of medium and high settings at like 30 frames per second, which is very playable. I think playable is anything over probably about 24, 25, because I had a gaming laptop and I used to play Tomb Raider on, what's it, not Ultimate, but the one below Ultimate. I used to get around like 26, but I still used to play. But kick off with the build, we got the Roswell FMB01, cover 2 fans, micro ATX. It's 25 bucks right now on Newegg. Y'all should go grab one of them. There's no USB 3, but I mean, that's fine. And for the power supply to power the whole build, we got a Corsair CX430M. It's modular, and right now it's on sale for 24 bucks with $20 minimum rebate. And for our processor, we got the A10 5800K. It's not originally an APU, it's the older Trinity APU, but it's on like with Richland you only see like really like a 5 to 10% difference, which is a matter of 2 or 3 frames in most games. So I mean, you save 20 bucks, and that'll run you around 130. And for the motherboard, we're gonna put this on a Gigabyte GA A85X. It's got an HDMI port, SATA 6, USB 3. It's micro ATX. Also has DVI. Apologize about the phone in the background. And for the RAM, and it supports high clock RAM up to 2400 megahertz. For the RAM, we got one stick of Crucial Ballistics. It's 8 gigabytes. It's clocked at 1866, which is very, very fast. And these things really work with fast RAM. So the faster the RAM, the better off the APU is. And we also got a Power Color Radeon HD 66, and that's 60 bucks. You get a $15 minimum rebate, so you get it for around 45 bucks on Newegg. And you pair that with the APU, you got what's it called, AMD Dual Graphics, and it makes it a whole lot better. And for a hard drive, we got a Toshiba 500 gigabytes, 54 bucks. A terabyte's probably about 15 bucks more. So I mean, if you want to step up to a terabyte, spend an extra $15. Or instead of this, you can grab like a 60 gig SSD. If you're watching this, you probably have a computer. Probably isn't that old, so you probably have a hard drive you can take out of that computer and put it in this one. You get the 60 gigabyte SSD. Your boot time's so much faster, and you put a few games on there. Not too many, because I mean it's not that big. And finish out the build, we got a regular light on. It's 17 bucks, well, actually 15 bucks right now, $3 promo code. But also, if y'all want to go with a WD Blue, you'll get your you can grab a DVD drive for like $3. I mean, that's up to y'all. It'll still be around the same price. But I mean, if there's anything y'all want to change, anything you want to do different, feel free to do. But this will run you exactly $418 after shipping, after all your mail-in rebates. So I mean, can't go too wrong right there. Play plenty of games, and just lagging now, y'all stay true.